Good morning, Zimbabwe. Damasoda Mzomunangagwa cannot continue to pretend that he is not behind ED 2030. Zimbabweans are not blind. We saw it before when Masemirembwa was told never to utter the slogan and the threats of arrest were made. Till today, Daniel Ngaro and Ziyambi chant it publicly, untouched and emboldened. That alone exposes the double game. Sadapeda mashoko ari kuda panguva ino vanhu panguva ino vamuri kuona Kirina Mujati anozikanwa kuti ndomacritics mahombe eZANU-PF nezvigananda vari kuuya vachiopoza. Aiwa mashoko ari kufamba panguva ino zvinzi aiwa tambomira. We set aside the 2030 plan. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Kirina Mujati anoendera mberi achiti, we also remember the audios of Masemirembwa and Harare province conspiring to push Takure into the Central Committee. We cannot forget how, when Mandi Chimene openly accused ED of harboring presidential ambitions, Mnangagwa denied it with a straight face, even while a coup was already taking shape. History teaches us one lesson: Mnangagwa is a chameleon who cannot be trusted. ED's decision to cancel the UNGA trip speaks volumes. It has not been about the people, nor the nation standing on the world stage. It has been about safeguarding his corrupt lieutenants, proving yet again that his loyalty lies only with his survival and his circle of looters. Self-preservation over national duty. This is not leadership. It is survival politics for his stomach, not the masses. Meanwhile, Valerius Vanda, instead of defending the people, chooses silence while joining the plunder in Mapinga with his Chinese criminals. Our environment is being destroyed, our railways stripped, and yet the so-called protectors of the nation see no evil and hear no evil. Ndoma developments ari kuitika nyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino. Imboti zamafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ava pena comment section medu zamafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like.